So I can't figure out how to get this mic to work better, so don't mind my headset, please. Thanks. um, so today I'm gonna do a tutorial on this cat eyeliner look or winged liner because I know a lot of people have trouble with it, and I wanna show you guys how I personally do it, especially because I've been doing it for so long now.
Okay, so my audio wasn't working too well here. So I'm just gonna do a voiceover. Don't mind the faces that I'm making because I don't know what I was even saying there. Um, so the first thing I'm doing is I am lining the top of the lid, and that's how I start the eyeliner. I just make a pretty decently thick line there. And you always want to do like just a couple of, you want to start small and then work your way up. So I started with just like one thin line and then I can always make it thicker. Same thing goes for the line. You want to just start with a really thin line or, as thin as you can make it and then just build up, which is what you're going to see me doing here once I'm done saying something. Um, yeah, what are you doing, Jacqueline? What are you doing? Just pointing to my eyeball. That's cool. Come on, get to the tutorial. I think people hate watching like this whatever waste of time. Yeah, we want to see it. All right. There we go. So I drew a thin line. I did it right at the end of my eyebrow. So that's how I know that I'm gonna try and keep it like the same on each side. I find a point like in my eyebrow and then I draw a straight line there.
So now you want to start building up that line that we just drew in the corner and bring it towards the lid of the eye. But remember, very small stroke. You want to do very small strokes because you can always build it up more. And you might think, oh, this is taking like whatever too long, but it's going to take way longer if you have to go back and erase what you just did and then, just mess up the whole thing. So just take your time with it. Trust me. So now here I am drawing the line, connecting the line to right underneath my eyelid there because you don't want a space there. And so the rest of the video, I'm kind of just lightly going over the line there and making sure that both eyes are even too. So you can always go back and to the other eye and make sure that it looks the same. Alright guys, well thank you for watching and I hope to see you in the next video. Um, Let me know what you guys want to see and hit that like and subscribe button if this helped. And yeah, bye.